Hi, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming here with a super cool product that I'm very, very impressed with. If you're in the audio business, you really want to look at this product. This is from Centrance.com. It's the Mixerface R4R mobile recording interface with a micro SD card stereo recorder. This thing is brilliant in what they put together, and we've actually been using it on the road. You can see the CEO interview we did with their CEO at NAB Show 2019. It's on the Chris Voss Show Podcast, and I got to tell you, we've been using this for our road shows and road recordings and making sure we get really great audio, and we are super impressed with this product. The Mixerface R4R basically is a mobile recording interface for smartphones, tablets, computers, and you can add a built-in one-button record. It's got a stereo micro SD card recorder for the added in-the-field flexibility and recording redundancy. This allows you to stream audio via the phone or recording a local copy to the internal SD recorder. A level of flexibility unmatched by existing field recorders. Pretty amazing. Holy crap. Now, it's got a few different features to it. It retains all the features of the original Mixerface R4. You can check that out. And adds one-touch micro SD recorder. It simultaneously records the SD card and a digital device, smartphone, tablet, laptop, etc. And for extra redundancy with video, you can feed the analog output to a DSLR for simultaneously audio recording, so you can plug that into your nice big cameras. A smartphone, micro SD card, and line outputs are all fed the same stereo mix for safety, redundancy, recording. And you've got an internal rechargeable battery. It's designed to last an entire gig, charges from any USB charger. You can almost plug it in as you go. And it's got a dual Jasmine mic preamps with true 48-volt phantom power, deliver boutique audio quality. You can plug in your nice, Cartoid or your nice shotgun microphones, and away you go. It's got two Nutric combo XLR jacks to record from mic line or instrument sources. High-pass filters to cut down wind noise during location recording. It's got dual high-Z inputs that place a direct box inside Mixerface for recording electric, guitar, or bass. It's got adjustable zero latency monitor control for dialing in the perfect headphone mix, and stereo auxiliary input to mix a 2-channel source. Amp Extreme headphone amp for extra loudness and clarity and no distortion. And it's balanced or unbalanced outputs for flexible speaker monitoring. This thing is crazy, all the stuff it does. I mean, I'm still discovering all the stuff it does. It's really amazing. You can bring in all sorts of different mic locations and inputs, and then of course work with your phone, stream, etc. I'm just mind blown over this, and it's so great to use on the road. Anyway, this is part of a road kit that we'll be using when we go to shows and everything else from here on out. We've been using it and we love it. Go to Centrance.com, tell them Chris Voss saying it. Chris Voss tested, Chris Voss approved. We'll see you next time.